In this chapter, we will be focusing on formatting base data. Sometimes it is called data conditioning, so you might hear that term. So in this chapter, we'll talk about a little bit on organizing our data frame. You probably have a lot of data in there, and it can be kind of confusing to figure out, have I modified that layer yet or not? So there is a way to modify or to organize your data frame, and we do that through creating what are called group layers, and then we can move our data layers into these group layers. Next, I'll go into a little bit about geodatabases. I'm not going to go in great depth about geodatabases, so for now we'll treat geodatabases as simply containers that we will store our GIS files in. In a much later tutorial, I'll go into a lot more detail about all the special things that you can do within geodatabases. Next, I'll go into the area of interest, and this is simply the project boundary. I'll talk about how to create a graphic area of interest, and then how to create a shapefile area of interest. And all of that's going to be very useful to us, especially when it comes to clipping and reprojecting our data. So I'll go into clipping and reprojecting features, clipping and reprojecting rasters, converting elevation information from meters to feet, and then how to mosaic data together. So you may have a lot of rasters that you would prefer to be one instead of, say, like 50 or 60. And then I'll go into the project site boundary. So this is very similar to area of interest, except area of interest may be just a square or something that you kind of create quick on the fly, where the project site boundary is very specific. It's usually oftentimes surveyed. So I'll talk about creating a new feature class container and digitizing that boundary.